Ever wonder why we yawn? It's something we all do. But what's the science behind it? Let's find out in less than a minute. Let's talk about the science. Yawning helps get more oxygen into our body and even cools down our brain. It's not just about being tired. Let's talk about fact. Did you know yawning is contagious? Seeing someone yawn can make you yawn too. Crazy, right? Sometimes we yawn at the weirdest times, not just when we're tired, but when we're bored, stressed, or even when we see someone else do it. So next time you yawn, remember it's not just because you're tired. Subscribe for more thoughts exploring.